Hello teacher, my name is Marbel Vega. The recipe that I am going to prepare is the following Oreo cheesecake. The ingredients I will use are the crunch, first, Mendel butter, second, Oreo cheesecake, the stuffing, first, cream cheese, 4, milk, condensed milk, 6, Oreo cookies, 7, and favorite gelatin. Finally, to decorate Oreo cookies or chocolate. Finality step, the step is step 1. I place the 20 Oreo cookies, removing the filling. Them in a plastic and crunch them enter they from step 2. I pour the crumbs into a removing or aluminum mold. I add the mender, butter, and stir in well combined. Mendel butter. I press the cream mixture inside the pan. I spread it over the sides. The layer crumb will in the freezer of at least 20 minutes. A freezer. Step 5. Using a blend on medium heat step, I blend the cream cheese on small. The condensed milk little by little. It's optional. And beat the men and favorite but gelatin. Step 6. Oreo cookies piece are rubbing on the filling. And then into the crush. The crush is smooth of the cover with plastic and repeat on it with 4 hours. Tip 7. Cut, take out the cheesecake and eat. And eat. Delicious.